Cards are dead. Everyone is looking for a technology that allows you to pay anywhere and everywhere. And we have it. We name it Jiffy.
If you still believe that cards will live forever, think twice and recall what happened with CDs.
We are very excited to be here and show you what we have. We can enable any device to accept payments. And we can enable you to pay with your phone anywhere and everywhere. I'm Maciek, and this is Wojtek.
Hello.
We are from Poland. Poland is European leader in payment innovation and mobile banking.
We're from the banking and payment industry. We've been behind creation of BLIK, a Polish national mobile payment scheme. BLIK is available to over 80% of Polish banked population. That's over 20 million of people. Jiffy is just a showcase of our patent-pending technology. And we're here today to show you how it works.
You all know Apple Pay and Android Pay, right? They have one thing in common. They only work with selected phones at selected shops. Jiffy works with any phone, anywhere, and everywhere. Let's start Jiffy demo. For the purpose of today's presentation, Wojtek here is going to be our salesperson, and I'm going to be the client. On the big screen, you see Jiffy client application. You could select your card, your bank account, or prepaid wallet. Then you just tap. It's really simple. With PSD2 around the corner, you could pay directly from any bank account in Europe.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to pay with Jiffy.
Sure. Just let me get my terminal. By the way, what you see here is an old terminal. It doesn't support contactless cards, so no Apple Pay and no Android Pay either. This red dongle enables Jiffy, but we've got other ways to do it as well. It's 10 euros, sir. Just tap the terminal to pay.
So I select my account and tap. And tap.
Live demo.
Live demos. Yeah. Now I just need to confirm the transaction. That's it. It's really simple.
Here comes your receipt. Thank you. Thank you, sir. If you're a retailer, you can connect this dongle directly to your cash register. Thanks to PSD2, retailers can build closed-loop payment scheme, so no middlemen and limited transaction fees.
That was some cool stuff. But imagine you could pay without the terminal. Phone to phone, any phone to any phone, Android or iOS. Watch this.
Hello, sir. How may I help you today?
Hi, I would like to pay with Jiffy.
Sure, just let me get my phone. By the way, this is an Android phone with Jiffy mobile POS on it. Maciek is still using his iPhone. It's 10 euros, sir. Just tap the phone to pay.
So I select my card and tap.
Notice that I'm accepting card payment on my phone only. No extra device required.
Normally, I would just accept the transaction, but this time I have a discount coupon, and I'm going to use it. Your
transaction is complete. With your discount, it came to 9 euros only. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now you're about to witness something really spectacular. Imagine you could pay anywhere and everywhere. We can enable any device to accept payments. For example, for just 20 euros, we enabled this old gamble machine to accept Jiffy. And again, I'd like to pay with Jiffy, but this time, I'm going to use my Android phone. So I select my account and tap.
You know it already, right?
I confirm the transaction, and here comes my chewing gum.
What you've seen was a practical application of our patent-pending technologies, like Bluetooth proximity authentication, mobile payment scheme, behavior-based discount. We can enable any device to accept payments. Jiffy is based on production-ready technologies that have limitless other applications. We've just shown you a few examples in payments and loyalty, but Jiffy goes much farther. It can be used for ticketing, access control, authentication, smart city, IoT, you name it.
Jiffy technologies are for sale. So if you are from payment industry, with Jiffy we have end-to-end solution for you. Retail, vending machines, IoT, you name it.
And if you're a large retailer, You can build closed-loop payment scheme based on Jiffy.
If you are an investor looking for the next big thing in payments, you found it. If you are, by the way, we have just received 1 million euros in EU funding to commercialize Jiffy, but we are still looking for ways to grow even faster. If you're anyone else wondering if we can do something for you, the answer is probably yes. Come see us. We have patent-pending technologies. We have 50 engineers specialized in banking and payments. We have track of success in fintech startups. Remember, cards are dead. Everyone is looking for a technology that allows you to pay anywhere and everywhere. And we have it. It's Jiffy. Thank you very much. Remember to vote for us, please, and see you all again at our booth. Thank you.
Thanks.